Hi everyone, this is Tim from PASSLINE Performance. Just giving you a last call here for FABTECH, which is coming up next week in McCormick Place in Chicago. Hope you guys can all stop by. We make tooling for cutoffs, for roll forming and tube mills. And this year we are introducing another branch of products that we handle, which is clamps for those of you that are going to use cutoff saws instead of the conventional guillotine dies or double cut dies. We're going to be in the east building, that's by the Lakeside. Our booth number is D46374. Now for those of you who haven't been at FABTECH before, or maybe you have, you know that this is the World Series of trade shows. There's everything for manufacturing that you want to see. It's a great way to come and see what is new out there in the world of manufacturing. Maybe bring some people along that would like to learn and see more about some of the work that we do. One interesting thing we got here this year, we've done this before, we're going to have a drawing and we're going to give away either a Cubs or a Sox hard hat. You know, right now the White Sox are in first place. The Cubs are a perennial favorite of the whole nation, I believe. And if you're not a Cubs or a Sox fan, that's okay. We got you covered because we're going to have a drawing. All you do is bring your business card and drop it in a bowl, and then we'll draw 3 tickets. One for the Cubs hat, one for the Sox hat, and a third one if you have another favorite team that you would like to get a helmet with their logo on it. So we're not leaving anybody out that way. But anyhow, if you can come to the show, it's Monday through Thursday at McCormick Place in Chicago. We've got some new things to bring to the industry that we haven't done before. Also, you'll see the representative from Makers Machining there, answer any questions about, you know, if you're just learning the trade of machining or have questions on that, we'll be glad to field any questions you have regarding that. So anyhow, we hope to see you next week. Come on down.